Kids learning in fairy world. A for apple. Apple means same. B for ball. Ball means gain. C for cap. Cap means topi. D for door. Door means darwaza. E for egg. Egg means anda. F for frog. Frog means mendak. G for grapes. Grapes mean angur. H for house. House mean ghar. I for igloo. Igloo mean barf ka ghar. J for jug. Jug mean jug. K for kite. Kite mean patang. L for leaf. Leaf mean patta. M for mouse. Mouse mean chooha. N for nest. Nest mean ghonsla. O for onion. Onion mean pyaz. P for parrot. Parrot mean tota. Q for queen. Queen mean malika. R for rose. Rose mean gulab ka phool. S for snake. Snake means सांप. T for toys. Toys mean खिलौने. U for unicorn. Unicorn mean unicorn. V for van. Van mean van. W for watch. Watch mean gari. X for X-ray. X-ray mean X-ray. Y for yogurt. Yogurt mean dahi. Z for zip. Zip mean zip. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. ABC learning. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters from A